Good morning folks, and welcome back. You can see I'm down on the beach and it is a very low tide. I'm going to have fun getting out over those rocks, which is why I've kind of come down here, and hopefully I can cut a path through there and get out on a kayak. So I'm not out for long today. I've got a dentist appointment this afternoon, so I'm going to have to kind of get in about 1:45, something like that. It's currently coming up to, well, it's just gone 9 o'clock. So I've got some little lures with me, mackerel feathers. I'm not going to be anchoring up or anything like that, so we're just going to see if we can grab any bass or something like that. If not, I'm not too worried because I've accomplished what I wanted to this week, which was catching some carp out of a river. So yeah, right, without further ado, let's try and get out there. Right folks, we're afloat. So it's 9:20 now. I've got to be back by, at latest, 1:45. Let me set an alarm for 12:30. So today I've got a slightly different lure. I've got another Westin, but this one is like more of a natural colour. We'll see how we get on with that. If the water's a little bit murky today, so I might swap over onto the white lure just to give it a little bit more visibility. But anyway, I'm going to punt out a little bit and then start heading down and going up and down. Actually, I might head up that way first. Oh, I felt something having a go at that. I think it's just where it's bumping across weed. Yeah, nothing. I thought I had a fish on then, but it's very, very shallow here. So, oh, literally. It's about 2 foot, 2 foot deep here. Oh, bloody hell. What I might do, because I'm really close to the pier now, is I might put my rods down and go and have a look underneath for some tackle. sort this reel out. Look at my line. Oh shit! And I've got a fish on. Bollocks. I've got a fish on. Oh crap! Am I gonna get this in? Oh fuck! I'm gonna get this in. In by hand. Oh, it's a bass. Look at the line, it's everywhere. There we go. Shame I had to bring it in by hand, eh? Right in the scissors. A nice little bass, and down in his mouth, look, you can see a crab. He's been eating crabs, look. Right, let's let him go. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paddle out in the middle of nowhere and try and sort this f***ing line out. Oh. Well, at least it weren't a blank. Right, come on then, let's get out there. Folks, I've managed to untangle all the braid. It's basically, you look at the line lay on this reel. It's awful, isn't it? Let me retie this and we'll try and get back over by the pier where I caught that bass and have more slings. I could feel fish pecking as I was bringing it through, so right, this is always fun on the kayak, trying to re-thread the eyes on this, but keep hearing little splashes of small fish jumping about. But yeah, it was interesting. In the mouth of that bass was a big crab. Obviously that's what they're feeding on underneath the pier. Come on. Right. Right, I gave it a few more chucks just alongside the pier and nothing. So what I'm going to do now is sling it out and just troll it behind me, and we'll head towards Holywell. Another one. Right, there we go guys, bass number 2. Bye bye. And there I was this morning thinking, do I go out, don't I go out? 2 fish. Nothing big, but yeah, great fun. Yeah, that new Westin lure seems to be working pretty well. And it's a natural colour rather than being bright white. And I thought it would not do that well in this coloured water, but seems to be working today, doesn't it? Right, let me go around, sling that back out and try again. And again. This is brilliant. There's loads of bass around here. There we go, bits a lot smaller. Let's chuck him back. There you go, buddy. Don't know if you can see it. Just saved that little moth floating in the sea. Beautiful, isn't it? Right, let me head back towards the pier. Right, I'm going to head back towards the pier. I'm just going to keep going up and down in this bit because, well, I've had 3 fish now, so it's working. And he's off, look. Oh my goodness, a Gurnard. Well, I've never caught a Gurnard on a lure before. Look at that. See? Oh, brilliant. Fish on. Oh, it felt like it. Does it come off? Might come off. Oh no. What we got? Oh, we got another Gurnard. Another one. Oh, that's spiky little fuckers. There he goes. 2 Gurnards. Brilliant. Right, let's whack that out and carry on. Right guys, that wind has really picked up and it's not bad out here, but it's got a little bit lumpier than what it was earlier. and nothing since that Gurnard I caught pretty much just off a bandstand, between a bandstand and a wish towel, but doesn't seem to be anything up this way. Probably going to call it a day. Right folks, only a short session, but it was good. 5 fish in total, so I can't grumble. Right, and guys, thanks for joining me. See you again soon.